Just going to give you a quick tour of the planner. If we go to the tools and open up the planner, we get an independent window that's resizable. It is in fact a whiteboard with a sticky note that we can put a note on, or a larger card that we can put some writing on, and we can move those around to wherever we want. We can invite other people to help us by copying this URL here, and their names will appear down here when they log on. You can change this information. We've set this up as an introduction, the key points, paragraph and summary. Some tips on how to do some good writing. So these are the things that you'd have to put into your introduction. You can add all your key points, and so lots of cards and notes about your key points, how to make a really good argument, how to write a summary for a particular section. And you can change the text on any of these. You can add a new column, you can delete a column. So there's lots you can do to use this to make it useful. We can also just move it off my screen and go back to my writing, so then I can start doing, continue with my writing, and then I can come back to my pinboard, planner rather, and have a look and see whether I've got all my notes covered in my writing. So a useful little tool there to assist you with your writing.